Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on a journey through the cosmos to explore our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. Let's dive in. What is the Milky Way? The Milky Way, our home in the universe, is a vast spiral galaxy. It's part of a group of about 54 galaxies known as the local group. The term Milky Way is a translation of the Latin Via Lactea from the Greek Galacticos Kyklos, meaning Milky Circle. From Earth, the Milky Way appears as a band because its disc-shaped structure is viewed from within. It is estimated to contain 100 to 400 billion stars and more than 100 billion planets. The Milky Way is speeding through space at around 343 miles per second or 552 km per second. Formation of the Milky Way. Scientists believe that the Milky Way began forming approximately 13.6 million years ago, just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. The Milky Way probably started life like any other galaxy as a tiny clump of matter that had slightly greater density than the cosmic average. This clump was made almost entirely of dark matter. The initial clumps of dark matter, along with their collection of stars, eventually merged to form the proto Milky Way sometime around 12 billion years ago. According to scientists, about 7 new stars are born in the galaxy every year. Structure of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is composed of several parts: a nucleus, a central bulge, a disk, both a thin and a thick disk, spiral arms, and a halo. The galaxy's two major arms, Scutum Centaurus and Perseus, can be attached to the ends of a thick central bar, while the two now demoted minor arms, Norma and Sagittarius, are less distinct and located between the major arms. Our Sun lies near a small partial arm called Orion arm or Orion spur, located between Sagittarius and Perseus arms. Our galaxy is made up of about 90% dark matter, matter that cannot be seen, and about 10% luminous matter, or matter that we can see with our eyes. This large quantity of dark matter causes an invisible halo that has been demonstrated by simulations of how the Milky Way spins. The Milky Way in the universe. Our universe is just one of billions in the universe. It is part of Virgo supercluster and is part of a broader supercluster of 100,000 galaxies known as Laniakea. This structure is much bigger than anyone had realized. Laniakea contains more than 100,000 galaxies, stretches 500 million light years across. The Virgo supercluster contains at least 100 galaxy groups and clusters and is about 100 million light years in diameter. A 2014 study shows that the Virgo supercluster is only one lobe of a greater supercluster called Laniakea. Now let's talk about our closest neighbors in the vast universe. The nearest known galaxy to us is the Canis Major dwarf galaxy, which lies about 25,000 light years away from our solar system. Another close neighbor is the Sagittarius dwarf elliptical galaxy, which is located at about 70,000 light years away from us. Then we have large and small Magellanic clouds, which are irregular dwarf galaxies visible from southern hemisphere. And finally, we have Andromeda galaxy, which is about 2 million light years away from us, and it's also predicted to collide with our Milky Way in about 4 billion years. We have journeyed through billions of years and across billions of kilometers to understand our place in the cosmos. The Milky Way is our home, but it's also a testament to the vastness and wonder of the universe. Thank you for joining us in this cosmic journey.